It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we have the finest 34-foot Tolly out there by far. It has seen serious upgrades by its current owner. It's a 1982, and it's in absolute beautiful condition from the bow to the stern, with lots and lots of upgrades. All new electronics in 2012, a whole Garmin system, chart plotters, fish finders, radar, you name it, it was done. Great looking boat. Pair of 270 Crusaders, 3,000 RPMs, 22 knots. You're humming along, you back it off, it becomes a little more fuel efficient. The owner is real picky about this boat, and we're doing our signature walk around outside video of the boat so you can see what it's all about from my point of view. As you can see, he's upgrading the teak on the boat as we speak right now. That's why it's got the tape on it. He's in the process of doing it. Nice cap rails around the back, large cockpit, and look, an AB inflatable dinghy with a center steering console and a relatively, virtually brand new Tahatsu outboard on a Seawise dinghy davit system. Cha-ching, that's an expensive option. The dinghy package alone is worth close to what the boat is being sold for today. Well, I'm kidding there, but it's a full package. Somebody's going to get a boat that is ready to go boating, is nice and clean, doesn't smell, and has been fully upgraded and is operational. 34-foot Tollycraft, 1982, PacificCoastYachtSales.com. We're both bonded and licensed in Washington State, and we're certified brokers in British Columbia. This is a Canadian boat available to both American and Canadian buyers today. Please give me a call, 604-708-1980. I'm going to do an inside video, and I'm also going to do a video up on the bridge so you get a full perspective of what this 34 Tollycraft is all about. Lots of nice upgrades. Bow thruster. Yes, a bow thruster as well. So again, give me a call, 604-708-1980. 34-foot Tolly, 1982. Thanks for watching.